Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a full 2025 guide on how to add clickable links in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or a client project, adding links is the perfect way to make your slides interactive and professional. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a single step. Access Google Slides first, open your favorite web browser, and head over to Google Slides. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, it only takes a minute to create. It's completely free. From the home page, you can either click the blank presentation to start fresh or pick a template if you want a ready-made design. Select what you want to link now. Open the slide where you want to add a link. You can link text, for example, a title, a word, or a phrase, or even an image. Click once on the text box or image to highlight it. This tells Google Slides what you're about to hyperlink. Add the hyperlink with your content selected, right-click, and choose Link from the menu. A small dialog box will pop up. Here, paste or type the URL of the website you want to connect to. Tip, always double-check that the URL is correct and includes the full https:// if needed. Once you're sure, hit Apply. Confirm the link. You'll notice that any linked text will now appear underlined, which means it's clickable. Hover your mouse over it to see a preview of the destination. If you're linking an image, you'll see a small pop-up with the URL when you hover. Click it to test and make sure it opens the right page. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and test links in Google Slides like a pro. Now, your presentations can guide your audience straight to websites, resources, or even other slides, all with a single click. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.